Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to give Robux to friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, the first part will be required by your friend, so send this video to your friend. Here's what the person who is going to receive the Robux needs to do. So Mr. Friend, the first thing that you have to do is click on Create after you load up Roblox. Then we need to go into Creations and click on our place. You should already have a place. Now go into Monetization. So just find Monetization and click on Passes. Click on Passes here. Now, we have to create a game pass. For the image, we can leave it as is. The name is going to be Donation, and then we click on Create Pass. This is what the person who is going to receive the Robux needs to do. After we have created the pass, left-click on it, go into Sales, and here is where you set the amount. Toggle on Item for Sale and set a price. You will receive 70% of whatever price you set here. So for example, if you set 100 Robux, when your friend buys it, you will receive 70 Robux. Now click on Save Changes. After that, click on the three dots and copy the asset ID. Or instead, just go back and click on these three dots of pass you created and just copy the URL of the game pass. Now, this is where the person who is going to give the Robux comes into play. You need to send them this URL. Now, I'm going to log into my other account and show you how this works. Once your friend receives the link, they will see the price and that it is being sold by you. If your friend's name appears as the seller, then everything is set up correctly. Now, just click on Buy. A confirmation message will pop up saying, "Would you like to buy the donation from your friend's name for 100 Robux?" Remember, your friend will receive 70% of that amount. So, after clicking Buy Now, your friend will receive 70 Robux in this case. The Robux will be pending for a few days. Your friend can check their pending Robux in their balance, and once the waiting period is over, they will receive it. So that's basically how you can give Robux to friends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.